So you probably heard of Vertical, the plugin that allows you to have a separate canvas within OBS so you can create short form content while you're streaming. If you haven't, go check it out. It's awesome. You should go download it. But in order to make this even better, make it even more productive for us streamers, I have a quick tip for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the settings for Vertical within OBS and make sure you set a hotkey for your backtrack. Now, if you're not already using this bot, I highly suggest you do so. This is streamer.bot, is one of the best bots for your streaming need, full of awesome stuff. The first thing you're gonna do with an app is add a action. Let's name the action short form content. Doesn't really matter. Once your action is named, in a sub action section, you're gonna right click, go down to core, head over to system and do keyboard press. Here is where you're going to put your keyboard shortcut for the backtrack feature in OBS. Click OK. Once you're on the command page, you're going to right click and hit add. And here is where you're going to name this command that you're going to give to your users to allow you to create short form content on the fly while you're streaming. So I'm going to go with clip. Make sure you choose the action that you just created. In this section, you want to make sure the sources that you're going to use are checked. I'm going to be using Twitch and YouTube. Once that's done, you click OK. You should be all set. All right, the last thing we have to do is check to make sure it works. We'll go ahead and put exclamation mark clip in my chat, and there's 11 items in that folder. Once we do this, it should be 12. And there you have it. Now you can have your community help you in your content creation dreams. All right, see y'all in the next one.